Howdy, hey everyone, it's me, Chuck, and welcome back to another video. Right now, I'm in a hotel in Issaquah, Washington. But today, I'm gonna be taking you along with me as I take a tour of Seattle. Alright guys, now that my dad's back from Safeway, I have the car, and I can't wait to drive around and see the Emerald City. Alright guys, I'm walking through the streets of Seattle, and look, it's the Space Needle.
Alright guys, so I've just arrived to Chihuly Garden and Glass, and I'm going to show you all the artwork they have available for display here. Alright guys, here is the garden that Chihuly Garden and Glass is referring to, and something cool about how the artist made these is that he didn't really use tools, he really just used fire, gravity, and supposedly centrifugal forces, whatever that means. According to Chihuly himself, the blown glass forms is called Persians, and something I love about this sculpture was that it was made to change with color depending on natural light and as day turns into night. Alright guys, now I'm in the exterior exhibits, and both the glass artworks and the natural plants are beautiful, and would make the members of my family who love gardening gush with jealousy in how beautiful this place looks.
So after checking that out, I walked into the Chihuly restaurant, which looked pretty cool, but nothing on the menu appealed to me. So I walked out and then walked into the greenhouse, but left it immediately once I realized how hot and humid it was in there, because I know I don't last very long in those type of environments.
Alright guys, now I'm headed towards the Space Needle.
So right now, I'm in the middle of the Space Needle's observation deck, and I am fearing for my life. Below me is a glass floor, and I am super uncomfortable, but I gotta admit, the views are amazing. And if you ever have the chance to visit Seattle, I highly recommend you go to the Space Needle. And I'm not gonna lie, it's so scary being up here. Below me is a glass floor, and I just have to keep talking and talking in order to keep my fear inside, if you get what I'm saying.
Wow, Seattle is such a beautiful city. I didn't know it had so much tree coverage.
So as much as I had loved it up here, it was time to go in, and since there was a nice deal where you could walk down the Space Needle stairs and get a free t-shirt, I decided to take that deal. But stupid me didn't realize how much I was going to regret that decision later once I realized I had a fear of heights I didn't know I had had before as I was walking in these basically outdoor staircase down the Space Needle.
So right now, I am walking through... Oh, hi elevator. Anyways, I am walking through the stairs on the Seattle Space Needle right now, and I've got to say, as cool as this is, my heart is racing, and this place is so freaky. Wow, everyone down there looks like little ants. Oh god, why did I do this? Stay calm, stay calm, stay calm. Oh god, why can't I calm down? What's the worst that could happen? Oh my god, finally, I made it. Alright. Guys, if I'm being honest with you, now that I finally got out of the stairs of the Space Needle, I've got to say that that experience, while scary, was worth it, and I highly recommend you do it as well. Alright guys, now it's time for the hop on, hop off bus tour.
Anyways, as I went on the bus tour throughout the city, I saw some very cool and interesting sights such as artistic murals, the famous hotel where the Beatles stayed during their visit to America, and where they actually famously fished from the balcony of their room. I also saw the cool skyline, which had some interesting billboards to say the least, as well as the Amazon headquarters, and after waving to Jeff Bezos, I actually saw the Chinatown and the amazing architecture they have there, as well as the Japantown and a specific hotel that supposedly has the nation's last Japanese bathhouse. The 1.5 hour bus ride definitely showed me how pretty a city like Seattle can be, in addition to showing me all the famous tourist destinations the city had to offer.
Alright guys, now that I'm out of the bus, I'm on my way back to the car, and I'm gonna go for a run soon.
Alright guys, I have now changed into my running clothes, and right now I'm in Medina, Washington, which Google said is supposedly the nicest part of the state, but I'm gonna judge that for myself as I go for a nice run here, so let's see.
Sorry that it was not enough to spit my condition in your cup. A mission to start a catalog, a struggle against the second law. I'm sorry that it was just too much to stench on my lips when I lose touch. The curtain collapsed There's no one behind those emerald eyes. Check. Never think about it again. Sorry, but I told all my friends. Everyone you know is a projection, sipping on a tonic straw. Read the book that you recommend. Sorry, but I looked at the end. Everyone around you starts to flicker when their batteries run low. Sorry that it was not enough to spit my condition in your cup. A mission to start a catalog. Struggle against the second. I'm sorry that it was just too much.
All right, guys, I'm back at Medina Park, and I just finished my 10-mile run. And wow, it was so beautiful. This little city has really nice nature preserves, nice houses, a nice beach. Like, it's got everything you need for a good run. I highly recommend you check it out if you have the chance and you visit Washington. Anyways, I'm gonna end the video now. I have been running for a long time and I gotta make it back for a dinner my dad has planned. So I'm gonna end the video now. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I shall see you guys later.